Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Rockstar Games Launcher is not opening or working. So to solve this, first thing you need to do is head over to your start menu and just search for Windows Security and then click on Windows and then hit up on Virus and Threat Protection and then scroll down and go to Virus and Threat Protection settings and click on Add and then scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add Exclusion and click on Folder and search for that Rockstar Games folder and click on Select Folder. This Rockstar Games folder will be in your local drive C on Program Files x86. We are just going to select it and click Select Folder and then close out the window and check to see if that's fixed your issue or not. If that's still not working, head over to your File menu, click on Local Drive C, Program Files x86, scroll down to see the Rockstar Games folder. Just right click on it and rename as right underscore and then hit OK. It will ask your permission, then click on continue and then after that hit on your Rockstar Games Launcher and click on run as administrator and now hit on install. Few seconds to see if it loads up and yes, we can see that now solved the issue. So this is it. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos.